Hey Face Nation, I'm back with another tutorial. Today's look is gonna be about me slaying for my driver's license. I actually misplaced my driver's license, so now I have to be cute this go round on my driver's license. So this look is about slaying for your driver's license picture. I know it's been like 2 months since I last posted a tutorial. This past 2 months has been really hectic and a lot of stuff going on in my personal life, but I'm back again.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's.
I'm back and I have more videos coming soon. I always say that, but I'm actually dead ass serious when I say that. I have videos coming soon. So if you want to tune into this tutorial, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start off with my brows, as you can see, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. As you can see, I'm just filling in. My brows are like super thin. I don't have like Kardashian brows where I can just, you know, Like, honestly, y'all, me and this brow been beefing every time I've been doing my makeup lately. And it's really been annoying me. Like, this brow will act right, but this brow won't. Like, do anybody, like, have the same problem? Like, who filling their brows? This stuff is really annoying. Like, I'm really getting mad right now as I speak. Now for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte, oh, shit. I'm going to be using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Concealer. Like, y'all, honestly, this is my first time using this. So, like, yeah, I've been asleep on this concealer. I always use LA Girl brow. I said LA Girl brow. LA Girl concealer for my brows, but they have the new home. And the color of this concealer is medium tan sand. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use this cutie make cutie, the flawless the e.l.f. flawless concealer brush. What I'm trying to do. Now I'm gonna prep my skin with Eucerin. This is what I use to prep my skin for my foundation. What I'm trying to say. I use sometimes primer and sometimes make my makeup more heavier, if that makes sense. So like, even when I do use like full coverage foundations, like I'll still use Eucerin because it's like fragrance free and it still preps my skin just like primer. I mean, moral of the story, I just don't use primer, but I do use it for like underneath my eyes as of right now. So right now I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Prep primer underneath my eyes, because this is where, like I said, I won't stop. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. foundation that I saw Alyssa Ashley like promoting with NYX, and when I went to Ulta, I saw different shades and they had different pictures of different girls, and this shade is Warm Honey, by the way, and I was like, oh, we're the same shade. And just blend it in with my beauty blender, my Real Techniques. I feel like it's always important to do your brows first, because like they take the longest. I just want to put that out there. Yeah, like honestly, I really like this foundation. Like, it's really good, and it's a matte finish, and it's so lightweight. Like, and it was only $14.99. So good. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Tarte concealer again, and I'm gonna basically, like, instead of me going all the way out, I'm just gonna do this. Line my nose up really good, and like go halfway, since it is full coverage and it is thick. Just go. I'm just gonna like line my nose up like this, and I'm gonna stop right there. Put some on my nose and my chin. Brush, my Morphe Beauty Blender. This beauty blender is the bomb.com. Like, literally, it's like really good. Like, I'm gonna be mixing my Derma Blend powder with my Maybelline translucent powder. I just feel like I'm like Jimmy Neutron when it comes to like mixing powders. So now I'm gonna go in with my True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going to contour for the gods. Contour for the gods. Forever blush. This was like a little sample that I got from Sephora, and like I love it. Like, I'm just gonna apply on my cheekbones like this instead of just like on my cheeks, because this is not the 1950s.
CJ knows.
My Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 240, and I'm gonna apply this where I set my concealer. I apply this because this is to like prevent me from having like flashback and pictures and stuff. And I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette again, and after I contour my nose, I'm just gonna work my way into my eyes. Because like I said, this is a natural look, and I want it to look cute, simple, and natural. So I'm going to just apply. I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Truffle. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Intense Gloss in the color Peanut Butter Brittle. And I'm just going to like Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be using another gloss by Pat McGrath, and the name of it is Gold Allure Lust Gloss. Alright, and last but not least, we're just gonna set this with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter. My Fenty Beauty highlighter in the name Trophy Wife. And I'm grab on. This is my finished look. I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Oh, if you're not following me on social media, go ahead and follow me now. Here's my Instagram, there's my Twitter, and then that's my Snapchat. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all next time.